everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm going to share with you guys a couple things that I got at Walgreens today. Walgreens is having their Black Friday sale. Not the greatest sale, but their whole week sale is really good. So I'm going to definitely go back again tomorrow and do a couple things. Sorry, like my things like cut off. But I'm going to share with you guys kind of what I just picked up. They have a lot of their $19.99 toys 50% off. They have the $9.99 toys 50% off. And then the $6.99 toys are buy two, get two free. So definitely go ahead and do that. I did get some toys for Miss Charlotte. These are not, I'm not giving these to her for Christmas. I'm going to give these to her for like Easter or her birthday. But they had a lot of the bath toys, and I really like the bath toys because we have a lot of boys stuff in the bathtub, but I want to get some girl things. So these were originally, Miss Elsa's head looks like kind of weird. These were $9.99 and these were on sale for $4.99. So my store only had one of the Frozen, so I thought I'm going to get that. And then I had to get the princess set. So we got Ariel, Belle, I can't think of Tangled's names all of a sudden. What the heck is her name? I can't think of her name. Jasmine, Snow White, so there's 5 of them. Why can't I think of Tangles? Rapunzel, it even says it right there. Duh! So I got these for $4.99 because I wanted to get those for Miss Charlotte. And then I saw a lot of the Winnie the Pooh stuff is on sale too, so I ended up getting this for her. Just like a little activity thing. This says it's for $6.
In there.
Put what in there?
No.
Oh, okay, thanks. But I thought this is just kind of a little doodad for her to play with, so I got that for her. Benjamin's gonna help me. Now I ended up getting this curling iron. Now this curling iron, they had it for a hair dryer, and they also had the curling iron. My store, I could not find the hair dryer unless they just didn't have it marked. But I wanted the curling iron because I didn't need a new hair dryer. But this was $9.99. You guys would pay $9.99. Hold on, you guys, I'm dropping stuff. But you guys would pay $9.99, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making this just $4.99. Funny thing is, she forgot to take the, I always go to the photo department, and she forgot to take off the security tag. So I leave the store, and the security goes off, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? I'm like, oh yeah, it's this. Well, then the other cashier, she's like, let me look inside all your bags. I need to see what it is. I says, it's just this. Well, I need to see if there's anything else. Nope, just this. I know my stuff that I bought. And then the cashier that checked me out, she's like, what happened? And I says, oh, the thing just came off. She's like, well, I'm sorry. I'm like, not a big deal. Then the original person who was yelling at me, she ended up being nicer to me because she thought I was like stealing it. She basically thought I was stealing it. So I'm like, no, I'm not that type of person. I can coupon and get away with more stuff than stealing it. But thought for $4.99, that's a pretty good deal in case you guys need to do any gifts. I did the Skintimate shave cream. Now this was $2.99. I used a $2 off digital coupon, making it just 99 cents, and I had to make sure I got the one that has the 20% bonus because that is the better deal. I also got the Gillette Mach 3 razors. Now these were $7.99. I had a $3 off digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $3.99 for this. Yeah, $3.99 for this. I can't even. $4.99. I didn't even do my math on it, but you guys would get 2,000 points, so it comes out to be $1.99 if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. And then I just got these. I didn't see these on sale when I was at the store the other day, but these are $2.99. I did get the Walgreens brand. The Walgreens actually has like a smaller tin of this for $1, and I'm like, ooh, sweet. They tasted like they were burnt. Like, it was bad cookies. But these are like the original ones. These are Danish butter cookies. So I'm like, for $2.99, this makes a good gift or just good for my belly. So I ended up getting that. I didn't really add anything together because you guys can kind of just see what you guys wanted to pick and choose. I did get the, you know, spend $25. So what's funny is I gave her that. I had her scan the ad, and then I paid with register rewards, and she's like, this isn't. She's like, that's not gonna print if you use register rewards. I'm like, just do it anyways. Just do it anyways. So it printed, and she's like, oh my god, it printed. And I says, yeah. Because register rewards and coupons are just a form of payment. But if you guys pay with points, then this would not print off. But as long as you guys pay with coupons, that is a form of payment. then you guys, you know, will print that off. So I ended up getting the 25% off your next eligible purchase of $10 or more. It does expire on the 7th of December, and then I got my $5 register reward. So that is just everything that I got. I mean, I just wanted to get those gifts, and the curling iron was the main thing I wanted to go. But yeah, other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a
thumbs up.
Thumbs up, and we will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.